Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today I am sharing my own variation of keto cheesy mushroom sauce. It's easy and fast to make and to be served with the steak, fish, baked potato, mashed potato, pasta, steamed vegetables and of course with rice. It is luxurious and versatile sauce. Once you will taste it, I bet you will make it again and again. Let's check the ingredients. Guys, to make creamy mushroom sauce, here are the ingredients: milk, mushroom, tomato, peas, lemon, garlic, oregano, homemade chili garlic sauce, smoked paprika. If you won't get smoked paprika, you can use chili powder, nutmeg powder, salt, black pepper powder. This is cream cheese. This is cheddar cheese. This is Irish specialties smoked cheese, mozzarella, flour, and one onion. I'm using shallot because I like its sweet flavor. If you don't get, you can use a small onion. Let's start cooking. Guys, here you can see I put 1 teaspoon oil in a pan and now I am adding butter in it. Baby dolls, here is a tip for you. If you put butter direct in a pan, it will be burnt and will be bitter. Always add little bit oil and then add butter and keep all the time heat on low. Now I am adding flour in it and I will give good mix to combine flour and butter and cook just for 30 to 40 seconds because I don't want to make flour brown. I just want to mix them together. Now guys, you can see flour is ready and now I will put it in a milk and I will blend it to get a smooth texture. When I will blend it, so there won't be any lumps. Guys, in the same pot, I put little bit oil and butter and let the butter melt on low heat. It will hardly take 30 to 40 seconds. Now you can see butter is melted. At this time I will add finely chopped shallots and garlic. Guys, all the way I will call onion so you won't be confused. But here if you don't get shallots, you can use simply onion or you can use the white part of spring onion. It will give the sweet flavor as well. Now guys, you can see onion and garlics are transparent. This is the time to add mushroom in it. Here you can see I cut the mushroom in big chunks. It's up to you. You can chop mushroom in thin slices as well. Flavor won't be changed. Mushroom will be fried on medium heat. So mushroom will not get enough time to release their water and get soggy. It will remain crunchy. Now I will fry mushroom until all liquid is dried. Now you can see liquid is dried and mushroom's color is not changed. I don't want soggy and brown colored mushroom in my sauce. Now our mushroom is fried and it is the time to add rest of the ingredients in it. First thing first, I will bring the flame down and then I will add all ingredients except cheese and flour and milk mixture. Now here goes salt, black pepper, tomato, and guys, here I blanched the tomato to take the skin off. Now it is nutmeg, paprika, oregano, and this is my homemade chili garlic sauce. Guys, if you want to know how to make chili garlic sauce, you can find the link at the end of this video. Now you can see all the ingredients are mixed nicely. Guys, here I will add green peas, which is called matar in our language. It's optional, you can skip it. As I said in the beginning, it is my variation. So I add peas because I like its flavor. Even sometime I add bell pepper as well. Guys, it won't take longer, but here I am using frozen peas, so it will take 1 or 2 minutes. So everything will be combined nicely. Here I can smell the aroma of freshly grated nutmegs, oregano, smoked paprika, and other ingredients. Guys, here I will say that always try to use freshly grated nutmeg. It enhances the flavor of the dish. Sometimes people ask me, why do I show how to bring the heat up or down? Guys, my channel is for beginners as well. As you know, we don't do cooking on the same temperature, and baby doll should learn how to maintain the temperature to get the better result. Now you can see bubbling is started. This is the time to add flour and milk mixture in it. It's little bit tricky, especially for the beginners. For this, first thing first, I will bring the flame low. You can see when you blend the mixture, it becomes so smooth. Here, baby dolls, don't add mixture in one go. Add gradually, bit by bit, and keep mixing so there won't be lumps in sauce. Guys, if you feel that sauce is bit thick, you can add more milk. There is no rocket science formula. This process can take 1 to 2 minutes because it will be done on low heat. Now you can see my sauce is getting on silky, smooth and creamy. Now it's bubbling. It's a time to add all kind of cheese. Guys, you don't need to add different kinds of cheese. You can make this sauce even with just cheddar and mozzarella cheese. And when you add cheese, just keep mixing, otherwise cheese will be stick on the bottom. And believe me, the flavor of burning cheese is unbearable. You can only manage it if heat will be low. Our sauce is at the finishing stage. Here check the seasoning and consistency of the sauce. Even here you can add lukewarm water or milk to get the right consistency. Here I am using frozen spring onion. You can see it is not stick to each other and color is green as well. Inshallah, I will show you how to freeze spring onion to keep them fresh and longer. Now I will cook 10 to 20 seconds to mix spring onion in it. Guys, today I am making pan fried salmon to serve with this sauce. My keto cheesy mushroom sauce is ready. It could be served with steak, steamed vegetables, fish, grilled chicken, mashed potato, jacket potatoes, baked potatoes, and of course with rice. I eat it with rice. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please give me feedback. Here is a humble request. If you are new at my channel, please don't leave without subscribing my channel. See you inshallah next time. with something interesting. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.